Hello guys, this is my, I kinda tried to make it like an old truck, but I couldn't really finish it, and I accidentally ordered the wrong pieces on the Lego.com see, I didn't fill in the gaps. That was a mistake, my bad. And I couldn't really finish this, I just created the pieces. I might keep it for a while actually, but I might as well just try it. Nice front. I kind of wanted to make it like a cool style. It's never been before, so I made it like tilt like that. And then inside is just basically just good and everything. The top isn't easily removable because I didn't make it removable. Again, I might not. See, it comes out in pieces and everything. But wait, sorry, it fell off. But then I always put an air conditioner in here. I don't think I put one in one of my other creations, but I usually put one in them. Just standard minifig driving it. Then inside is just a seat. I haven't made the back again. You can see the camera reflection there on the bottom. So you could pack everything in there. And the steering wheel, everything. Oh my gosh, the lights. They're just, oh no, wait. There. It's all good. Yeah. The problem with my Lego creations is that they're really nice looking, but you just can't do anything with them. They're just for display, like, or something. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put this back on the right way. Gosh, this is hard. I did it wrong. You can see it all comes in pieces. Then you can't put it back. I'm gonna have to improve on that. And now, by now you probably noticed that I started talking in my videos. But this is one thing. I will only talk. I will never talk in Truck Simulator videos. Never ever. Maybe in like 10 years or something. But until then, forget it. And I can really finish it. Looked like this just a minute ago. But I quickly took one off of a set to make it look nicer. This window at the back. And everything. And by now you've probably noticed that I'm using a different setup, because you usually see it right over here. Now it's actually over here with some lamps and a base plate. That's my dresser. But then, and I'm only using lights. See? Because yeah, it didn't really work out the other way. But then just a normal built-in, and I actually keep it for a few days. Just so you guys know, well, there's the camera reflection. But just so you guys know, I ordered a big Lego truck, set number 7347 highway pickup, and it left I live in Oregon. I left Sacramento, California, and yesterday at 11 o'clock. And today's Saturday, so it should be here like Monday or something. You know? But gonna be here Monday, but if it's not, then it's probably gonna be here Tuesday. And there's this weird thing going on because it's like it says that it's supposed to be here Saturday, but I don't believe that. And then basically that's it. I'll do 3 videos on it: unboxing, speed build, and a review. Just a little, heads up that that's coming soon. And that's it for that. Hope I keep it for a little while. I'm going to destroy this because I made the pieces, but I'm just doing a quick video on it before I destroy it because it's really nice. I might try to build it a little later. Some different designs. I used a very interesting design here in the front because this is attached with these. It looks really weird. See, it's just like that. My rule is in my LEGO creations that when I build anything on the inside, that's never going to be seen if you don't take it apart completely. It can be any color, just not the waste parts. It's never going to be seen, so who cares? Like, Lego does some of that. Some of them show I don't like that, and this fits on really nice. So that's basically it, guys. That's it.